Hey y'all, we got a 07 Lexus IS250 here. Just replaced the AC compressor. We're now doing an AC recharge. So if you're trying to do AC recharge on yours, I wanted to just point out some locations. You're gonna take off your engine cover and you're gonna take off the side cover here, which is just held on by just a bunch of clips. You can use that tool to take those clips off. Your low side port is located right there. Obviously you can see I have my low side hose attached to it. All right, so right on that AC line, clips right in. Your high side port, is under this cover, all right? So you take off I took out about half the clips, lift it up. It's right over here, your high side port. Attaches right there. The amount of refrigerant you need, you can find on this sticker over here. I believe it's a pound, between 0.88 and 1.01. I'm gonna put a pound in here, just an even number. And it takes that kind of oil, the ND oil, which is this right here. You can use as an equivalent, this PAC 46 oil, and you need 4 ounces of this approximately. So if you're doing your own AC recharge, make sure you have 4 ounces of PAC 46, pound of refrigerant, and yeah, you're pretty much good. The AC compressor is down there, so if yours is bad, you know where to find that. I hope this video helps you out. We're about to charge this car up and get it going. See ya.